Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the carbon and oxygen cycles. So let's start with the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Down, the way to get rid of this carbon dioxide is to go through photosynthesis. So carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight enter plants, and oxygen and glucose are released. Then the opposite of that is respiration. So from photosynthesis, we have oxygen in the environment. Now, oxygen and glucose are used to then create carbon dioxide, then water, and ATP. So photosynthesis takes carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and makes oxygen, but respiration happens in animals and plants, and that takes the oxygen and turns it back into carbon dioxide. Then there's many things like destruction of vegetation. There's carbon dioxide in these plants. So when that vegetation is destroyed, well, carbon dioxide goes back into the atmosphere. Then let's just look. There's a lot of things in the ocean that go on, like sedimentation. There's cycles of bicarbonate, which, eh. Then there's diffusion in the water. The diffusion puts back some carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. But some of these dead organisms and animal waste, they will turn into oil, which is natural gas, and then they could also turn into coal. This coal eventually will go through combustion if we burn it. And of course, burning fossil fuels, like anything to do with oil, anything to do with coal, just burning it, running your car, running your furnace, anything is putting carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. So this is our carbon and oxygen cycles. The main thing you should get from this is that carbon dioxide is taken from the atmosphere and turned into oxygen through photosynthesis. It is put back into the atmosphere through respiration. And then there's many other side things that can add carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, like combustion, destruction of vegetation, diffusion, and then there's some little cycles in the ocean. But also, carbon dioxide and oxygen enter long-term cycles when they combine to form calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate, it's just going to be like a rock. And of course, the oxygen and carbon are not going to get out of that cycle for a long time. So this whole cycle here is all short term. Well, oil and coal aren't so short term, but calcium carbonate, when oxygen and carbon combine into calcium carbonate, is a very long-term cycle. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful.